Hi, welcome to the Quadrilla Construction Company. I'm Evan, and I will be taking you through how Quadrilla marble runs work, with the types of blocks, parts, track, and other interesting things about Quadrilla. If you want to build a Quadrilla marble run, these are the videos to go to. This episode of the QCC will tell you about how Quadrilla came to be and information talking about Quadrilla. First of all, Quadrilla was a wooden marble run construction beauty made by Hape, or Hape, depending on whatever you like to pronounce it, and Manhattan Toys. This was for people with an interest of how marble runs operate. This is an advanced marble run that is a bit like a Lego, but with wood and marbles. Quadrilla started selling in the 2000s with sets like the Basic Set, Rail Set, and Twist Set. There were displays in stores everywhere. They also sold extension sets, expansion sets, and fun sets with varying parts. Actually, Quadrilla started in 1998 with only wood and no color. In about 2010, there were special blocks with music note openings where you could add a bit of melody in your marble towers. Other parts, which you could put on tracks, also had places where you could put in music bars. They were found in sets like the Melody Basic Set and the Sound Blocks Extension Set. Year 2015, they started selling new sets. The majority of them were reminiscent of sets sold earlier. They also introduced some new types of track, like these on the screen. Examples of these sets were Autobahn, Cyclone, Whirlpool, and Speedway sets. Some other sets have themes like the Space Station and Medieval Ages. They also put in stickers that you could put on your blocks to make your marble runs themed. The most recent addition happened in 2018 with brand spanking new parts like hanging bells and pinwheels, and stairway blocks. Unfortunately, these new sets did not feature attractions that could be found in sets like Fun Sets 1 and 3, Extension Set for Basic, and the Rail Set. However, in early 2010, they did the same to a black block I'll introduce to you in future episodes. Also, they introduced parts like these on the screen. That was a brief history of Quadrilla and some of the pieces you might see. Stay tuned for the next episode of QCC, where we go into the basics of Quadrilla with the blocks, track, and other pieces. This is Evan, signing out.